Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about is there a way to substring a string in Python. Okay, go to the Python terminal. The topic is there is any way to substring a string. Yes, of course, there is a possible way called slicing. Slicing is moreover works on a string, and first I am going to show you the syntax of slicing. Okay, my strings. Okay, this is the syntax of my string. This is the syntax, and my string is the name of the string that we want to slice, and start is the from where we want to slice the string, and end is the to where we want to slice. Okay, and if we leave the first part, that is if we leave the start part, it will slice from the beginning from the string. That is, the syntax is this one. Okay, and also if we leave the second part, that is end part, it will slice the string till the end. Okay, and now I am going to declare a string. Okay, this is my string, and from the left end, the index start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 etc., and from the right end, the index start from -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 etc. Okay, and now I am going to slice the string hello. Okay, from E, that is the index of E 0 1 1 to where I am going to slice to P. So we have to enter the index of Y, then it will slice up to P, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here you can see we slice the hello Python to this. Okay, now I am going to leave the first part, then it will slice from the start of the beginning. It will slice from beginning of the string. Look at here, from H. And now I am going to leave the second part, and it will slice from the index 1 to till the end of the string, that is from E to Python. Okay, hope you get how is there any way to substring a string in Python using slice. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.